CrimeRadar app. So you can see here dispatch audio, and alerts. Number 4 in the news category. CrimeRadar tracks first responder audio and uses AI to summarize and map potential incidents so you can stay aware of the public safety activity near you. Check the interactive map, listen to first responder audio, safety alerts and map, customizable filters, first responder radio. So here you can see it. Track locations you care about, customize for what matters to you most. And then this is just what you have. And then you can see all of the reports to specific city. You can change the city, search the address. You can see in the map what's happening. You can see all of the alerts. You can see your profile and basically see all of the alerts. All of the different categories. You can see the like the location, summary, and then you can just see it like that. And then you can see some dispatched audio. I don't know where they get this audio and how exactly this app is working, but you can see, for example, the location and the offenders. So yeah, something like that. So yeah, there you have it.